This time is different, my friend, and Bitcoin almost 60,000 US dollar. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Poriyaanik, and what's going on the market? Bitcoin already is starting the parabolic movement, and already we are very close to 60,000 US dollar as I'm recording right now. And what's the next and what's going on the market? On the previous video, I mentioned to you guys, market is still on the bullish and can go higher. Of course, we can have some correction on the market, but trend is your friend. And as soon as the trend is going up, we can trade and we can go higher price. So let's jump to the chart and see what's going on the market. We can see the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, and we are very close to the nearest resistance, which is that standing around 59,598. Bitcoin is very close, and we already reject from this zone on November 2021. And after the few years, Bitcoin back again to this zone, and for sure we have a halving coming up soon. But right now, it's still market in the bullish. For sure, we're going to have a correction on the market. But right now, Bitcoin is still going up, and if we pass in this resistance, which is that very important resistance for a Bitcoin, nothing can stop Bitcoin to back again to $62,000 or $63,700, and we can see the higher resistance is standing around $65,800 approximately. Market is super duper bullish, and we can see we didn't have a big correction back from I can tell you from $27,000. We didn't get any big correction on the market, but still Bitcoin can go higher because of the ETF, and everybody say this time is a different, and maybe this time market can go higher before the halving, go back to $65,000 or $62,000 is not so big deal right now, because Bitcoin already non-stop moving up. We looking on the weekly time frame, and this week already Bitcoin from the $51,000 to the current price is 16% movement. And if you want to estimate how far Bitcoin can go up, we can see from here, from this pattern done from $25,000 approximately, and the top around $47,600. If we put in this line if you put in this line to the breakout, we can see estimated the price showing that around $69,000. So saying exactly right now, Bitcoin can go directly to $69,000, and also is not impossible movement right now. We can see Bitcoin is in duper parabolic right now, and nothing can stop the Bitcoin. We can see every day more buy for ETF, and this is going to be helping the market. We can see right now Bitcoin almost on $60,000, my friend. For sure, we're going to be some sell-off going on this zone, which is that almost is like we already hit it around $59,400. And the top box around $62,210. If you be passing the $59,500, nothing can stop the Bitcoin for a $62,300 or $63,700, or the top one around $66,106, or in very good move we back again to $69,000. But right now, we have to be really be careful, because we already looking at the weekly time frame. For sure, on the lower time frame, we can have some crash or some sell-off. As we can see right now on the DMI, still D plus following the ADX, and D minus doesn't have any power and crashing to be done, and D plus is still holding the 32%. So this means still we have a more buyer than a seller right now on the market. And as soon as we can see ADX is going up on the weekly time frame and D plus is following, means market still can possible to go higher on the higher time frame. If you back into the daily time frame and we checking what's going on the daily, as we can see right now, at the high of the Bitcoin already 59,500, and for a first touch we can see a little bit sell, but not as strong given on the daily. Maybe on the lower time frame more strong, but on the daily a still market possible to go higher. And if we check in the DMI on the daily, we can see very clear correction, and D plus is still holding on the daily, also on the 24%, and D plus and ADX very close, and ADX is still going higher. So this is means, my friend, still Bitcoin can go higher on the even daily time frame, but you have to know, my friend, this is the very tricky area, almost $60,000, and for sure we're going to be some sale on this zone. We already see on the MACD extension, and we can see that right now histogram is changing to the green, and it's still showing the high, it's still showing market can go higher. But to be honest with you, my friend, Bitcoin is already $60,000. Nobody think it. If you're asking me even how far Bitcoin can go to $60,000, my answer was maybe taking time, but we can see right now very fast and very quickly Bitcoin back again to $60,000, my friend. And right now it's still trying to go higher. If we check in the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame also we can see MACD is extension, and we don't see any correction even on the MACD on the 4-hour time frame. And we can see already top band of the BB is standing around $59,800 and mid band around $44,400. This is means if Bitcoin a little bit crashed down, also we have a still very strong support around $55,000. This is all show Bitcoin is super duper parabolic, and nothing can stop Bitcoin. And as soon as the Bitcoin going higher, we can trade and we can make money. But we have to be careful, my friend, because here is logically priced $60,000 and is possible to little bit sell off going on the market. But if Bitcoin is passing the $60,000, the next target for sure going to be $62,000, and we can see the quick rise from the Bitcoin to the higher price. As I said, as soon as the Bitcoin holding the support around $56,000, I'm super duper bullish. Even if Bitcoin coming back down here, we can have a more buy, because the BB also is going to be extended to somewhere around here. And if market coming back down here, we can have a more buy, and this move can quickly send us to higher price. We can see maybe all-time high before the halving, and Bitcoin touching the new all-time high on this time. So this is all about the Bitcoin, my friend. Let's jump to the Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. But before that, thank you very much to subscribing my channel, and thank you very much to like and subscribe. Please write for me what you're thinking about the price and what is your estimate on the price before the halving. Let's jump to the Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. We have an Ethereum on the weekly time frame, and we can see, my friend, Ethereum already also is coming to our zone, and this zone around 3,285, and the high, which is that our box is standing around 3,581. We have a better price of the Bitcoin, and I think in Ethereum gonna be follow it, because Ethereum already also come to our zone. And from my view, Ethereum want to come up and want to try to touch the $3,600, and want to touch in the $3,600, which is that Ethereum on April 2022 get reject from this zone. And right now we can see Ethereum is trying to come and touching this zone. From my view, Ethereum already come to this zone, and as soon as the Ethereum holding the 3,281, maybe very soon Ethereum come back again and touching the $3,600. If we be back into daily time frame, and we check in on the daily time frame, we can see on the daily time frame exactly as soon as Ethereum holding the 3,260, possible to go touch the 3,500. And anyhow, if Ethereum breaking this zone, easily can come back again to $3,580. MACD on the daily time frame, we can see also on the Ethereum extension, and we can see already histogram is changing the color, and we don't see any correction on the daily time frame on the MACD. This is, from my view, is continuation, and I think in this rally is not yet over. Maybe on the lower time frame we have some sell-off going on, but right now Ethereum already, as soon as it's coming to this box, I think it's possible to go touching the 3,560. So this is all about today, my friend. Thank you very much for watching. I'm so enjoying on this video, and I hope this video is going to be helping you, my friend. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and don't forget to write for me on the comment, what do you think about the price? All the best for you. See you on the next video, my friend. Ciao.